Hopefully it is. I'm looking for a traffic light. See a red light. Thank God it's working. Well, we do what we have to do for our family members. Is it working? Yes. Okay, so we turn our left turn signal down, and then we have a green arrow. I'm not trying to run the light. I'm trying to make the light. I'm going to stop. See that guy? My cousin has one of those things. I don't know what you call that. Okay, I'm going to move forward. I have to yield to the Ram 1500. Waiting for all these cars to go by. Then I'm going to make my left turn in the nearest lane. Now the speed limit's 30. We normally don't see 30 miles an hour. So I'm just trying to stay very smooth, very patient. And now we're on a 30 mile an hour road. My gas is at a fourth of a tank, and I'm just trying to maintain. Oh, they ran out of gas. Ooh, right? So we're on the east side, older part of the area. A lot of duplexes. These are two-family flats, and they often put group homes in here. People buy these houses and fix them up, and what can I say? I'm gonna have a complete stop here at the stop line. And then what you should be doing is checking behind you. There's no one behind me. I'm checking. The last time we came here, this light was not working. Okay, it's green. I look left and right. I'm showing you what I'm doing, left and right. I apologize for that. I'm gonna continue. We're by our school zone, and we wanna reduce speed. Even though it's summertime, they're practicing sports, community groups are here. They're doing like 50. The speed limit's 30. And learn from them. Drive at the speed limit so it can be safe. That's really important. I wonder if they have power. And then they passed me and cut me off. Now they're in front of me. Oh, it's right here. You want to keep it moving and just be safe and look. Okay. And we're watching for cars and trucks. And look, there's a car really close to the truck. You see the truck behind me? So you want to be checking your mirrors all the time. No, I don't know where the street is. I found it. Excuse me, guys. I apologize. Oh, okay. I believe this is the right street. Now I'm going to show you as much as I can. Is this the right street? I'm on the wrong street, guys. I do apologize. So I'm going to have to turn around, and we're just going to pull in this driveway. I'm sorry. When you're upset, you just forget stuff. All right. I'm going to roll backwards. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm rolling. I'm looking left, looking right. I'm holding my brake. I'm rolling down. I'm using gravity. And the way I remember it, when I was a little boy, my good friend, they had Corvettes, and they have a very steep driveway. And they said, you watch this. They roll down at an angle. That's some nice little houses in here. You roll down at an angle so you don't crash the bottom of the oil pan. That always stood with me. And when I teach my students, I'm looking left and right, I always visualize we're in a Corvette, and we're rolling down the driveway backwards at an angle so we don't crash the headers or the Corvette. Okay, I'm looking. All right, I went on the wrong street. Okay, here it is. All right, just yielding for traffic. Watch it behind me. Okay, ooh, the little kids here. Be careful. Okay, go slow. That's what I'm doing. All right, is even here? I don't know. Is this the right house? I'm messed up, man. Okay, here it is. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you with me. First, we're here. This is his bed liner. Peel tray, and I have some other things in here. Excuse me, I got a tickle in my throat. I apologize. Drink some water. You'll be able to hear. Give me 1 second, guys. So you got questions put in here, and let's hold on 1 second. Oh man, I got his clothes, garments. Hello, what's up, Marcus? Let me in. I got some stuff for you, Marcus. Let me in, man. Hey, I want to hear some good news. How you doing? I want to hear truth. Turn the volume down a second. So I have some pen undergarments for him. Has he been peeing on himself? Has he been using? He has. Okay, I have a bed liner for him. Has he been taking a shower? Okay, we're going to take it. All right. Okay, let's go in the room. How you doing? Okay, we'll help him. How you doing, Marcus? You're not doing good? All right, I'm gonna help you. All right, Marcus, I got some stuff for you, okay? I'm gonna help you. How you doing? You okay? All right, I'm gonna help you, okay? So, I got some stuff for you.
There you go, get some breakfast. You eat breakfast, got waffles and sausages, stuff like that for him.
Okay.